नमस्कार people, how are you all doing? जिंदा हूँ मैं, मरा नहीं हूँ अभी तक. So as every video, I like to apologize in front of you all for not being consistent at all. थोड़ा कुछ तो exams की वजह से, and the maximum part of it is because of my laziness. You guys know me very well that I'm very lazy. A series of videos are gonna come now. Please be prepared for it. Actually, I need to prepare myself for making the videos. This video is going to be a summary of the first year of MBBS, what all happened in the first year, how were the adventures, how were the lectures, the outings, the fun, the stress, everything. So without any further ado, let's directly go to the video. The 3rd of September, I was very happy that I got my dream college, that is Guwahati Medical College. It was a hectic day overall. So it was the first day I saw the college and it was like a dream come true. I posted a video on it, a college reveal and admission vlog. If you have not watched it, do watch it. Coming to the foundation course classes, that were the first 14 days of classes, and we were oriented to each subject, each part of the classes, like lectures, what type of lectures we were going to attend, the role of a physician, role of an Indian medical graduate, and many more things. Moreover, we had sports classes, yoga classes that were really refreshing. After the foundation course classes, there was college freshers, that is freshers for our batch 2024, was organized by the student union of Guwahati Medical College, and it was marvelous. I was literally practicing a lot for my performance. I got 3rd prize in talent hunt. It was very special day for me. After our college freshers, started our main classes, that were anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. It seemed to be boring the first because I used to be very sleepy during the classes, but it gradually became different. It was not always the same. I started liking a subject which is physiology. The interest elevated to a great level when the poster competition, and I got a prize in that, and that too was a very special thing for me because it was a national level competition. Then comes the college week, which is a grand celebration, a plethora of events in our college. Students from medical colleges will know that the college week is probably the only event which is celebrated with very much valor and excitement, and it cheers up every student. Practice for it from 1 month before, though we didn't know as first years that's what are the events in the college week, what it usually happens. We missed a few group events because obviously everything needs practice, right? Another dream come true for me during the college week itself was the Fashion Phoenix, which is a modeling competition in our college, the Mr. GMCH and Miss GMCH for the year. Like, modeling and fashion has always been my dream through childhood. I became Mr. GMCH. Okay, कर ले खुद की तारीफ खुद कर ले, दूसरा कोई तो कर देगा नहीं.
Seriously, what the
Oh my god, a very tiring, and the logbooks. The logbooks we need to write there. Okay, this will be coming the next video. I'll not tell you this right now. So logbooks are really tiring and very much annoying. देखो एग्जाम का नाम लेने जा रहा हूँ और माइक खुद ब खुद गिर गया. Formative assessments, internal assessments, then practical internal assessments, SDL assessments, what not. Now what is SDL assessment, what is formative assessment, again in the next video. क्या करूँ, खुद का बिजनेस तो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
So many exams, every 20 days there is an exam in this MBBS field, but okay, that's fine. That's not really fine, but okay, we'll have to tackle. Along with the theory classes were held the practical classes at the end of the day. They were also very encouraging. All the PG teachers, all our PG teachers, demonstrators and our professors helped us a lot very much for preparing for our exam. So there is a separate part for practicals. Like anatomy, we had cadaveric dissection. What is cadaveric dissection? We need to dissect and learn from it. And cadaveric dissection is a very crucial part of anatomy. First of all, when the first day arrived, when we were were supposed to get into the dissection hall. When I went and stood in the dissection hall, in a room where there were present 4 cadavers, it felt something unusual, literally. Like standing in a room where 4 cadavers are present. I've never been in a room till then. After that, things became quite normal. In physiology practical, we did blood tests from our own blood, from our friends' blood. First of all, in the first class days, ऐसा होता है कि हाँ सबको वो मची है कि I will give the blood and मैं बहादुर हूँ, मुझे डर नहीं लगता. But when the exam arrives, then nobody wants to prick their finger and give the blood. For clinical physiology, we need to examine the systems of the body, like the gastrointestinal system, that is the digestive system, the respiratory system, and many more. Auscultation with the help of a stethoscope, we learned it, and it was really encouraging to handle the stethoscope, to handle the blood pressure machine, that is the sphygmomanometer. Though exams were totally different, we were very apprehensive of what is going to happen in the exams, but okay, it was a very nice experience. In biochemistry, we did urine analysis, serum analysis, cholesterol test. Like nowadays, every household has 1 or 2 patients of blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes. So we did all the tests with our own hands. The feeling was awesome. Family adoption program, that is FAP, a part of social and preventive medicine. So we were taken to Rani, that is a place in the outskirts of Guwahati. We need to take care of one family. We were taken twice in the whole first phase of MBBS. It was nice experience going there, visiting people, talking about their health. It felt really professional from now itself. Okay, feeling optimistic is not a bad thing, right? Going from here to that place and that place to again here took 2 hours. That is 4 hours of total. The journey felt like a picnic. Like we were singing songs, we were dancing in the bus, and we were enjoying it. There were also a lot many events other than the college week, an inter-college drama and badminton competition. The drama competition was flamboyant, it was superb, and like we were making a rangoli for that. Also Bihu. Oh, Bihu, how can I miss Bihu? We did Bihu literally, I guess, 4 times in a single year. Practicing Bihu for any event with all my friends at the same spot again and again. It felt like amazing. Bihu is uncomparable, unimpeachable. I was talking about the events, so the inter-college drama competition, then there was the Doctor's Day, Mother's Day, many events were organized. The last and the most beautiful part of the video, outings. So after every exam, after every small or big exams mein to like we people, like our friends group, we even went for outing during the gaps of the exam. So you can imagine how serious we were regarding our exams.
No! God, please, no! No!
Guwahati is a place, like it is called Maya Nagari in Assamese. So there is nothing less. We can choose between many places, literally. There are so many places in Guwahati, and after each formative assessment, each internal assessment, we used to go for outings in the parks. Then afterwards we went to the cafe. You know what is the best part when you go outings with your friends? It's truth or dare.
Oh, hell no!
पूरा हमने पैसा उड़ाया. माइक कहाँ गया? We went for outings and पूरा पैसा उड़ाया. Also we went to our friends' residences. So पलक झपकते ही first year ended like this, and it was a year full of adventure, full of stress, full of depression, full of fun, full of laziness, and what should I say more. It was an amazing year overall. So here is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. My next video will be on how to survive MBBS first year at your best. It is going to contain so much of information. So that's it for this video. See you soon and bye. It was very मैं कितना very बोल रही हूँ. You know, I'm so like it's so difficult to find words at times, you know. Is of